Greetings. In this video, I'll be just doing a quick example where I'll be using the formula for the electric field strength in order to calculate electric field strength at a distance, the electric field strength at a distance from a particular charge. So let's say that the electric field strength, I want to look at this charge Q, which equals, let's say, 10 nanocoulombs. And the formula for electric field strength is E, which is electric field. E equals K times the Q over R squared. Alright? So I want to look at, let's say, the electric field strength at the distance. Let's say, what can be used? 1 millimeter away from the charge. And 1 millimeter away, that's 0.001 meters. So write that inside the equation right here. So I'm just using these pieces of information that I just got. By the way, this nanocoulomb that's equal to 10 times 10 to the minus 9 coulombs. So I'm using these pieces of information in order to plug it into this equation and get the result, get the value of electric field strength at distance 1 millimeter from this 10 nanocoulomb charge. So this constant is called the Coulomb constant, and I'm talking about this in vacuum, in free space. That will be this Coulomb constant then used. That's 9 times 10 to the 9. That's the first part to take into account. And it must be included. Then the charge that I'm taking into account, which is 10 nanocoulombs. But I cannot just put 10. I have to put 10 times 10 to the minus 9 because it's nano. So 10 times 10 to the minus 9. This will actually change to 10 to the minus 8, of course. And then R squared in the denominator means this 1 millimeter squared. So 0.001 squared. And that also means 10 to the minus 3 squared. So I can further rewrite this to get the final result, which will be, by the way, these two things cancel out together. This is 9 times 10. This is 90. And then I will divide by this, which is 10 to the minus 6 together. These exponents multiply, but the 10 to the minus 6 in the denominator goes up. So 90 times 10 to the 6, which equals to basically 9 times 10 to the 7. So this is a very high strength. And by the way, the strength of electric field is given in newtons per coulomb.